Relax, you don't need a new Mac, just the right cleanup tool. Now, macOS does come with a built-in cleaner called Optimized Storage, but it barely scratches the surface. It can suggest moving files to iCloud and emptying your trash, but that's about it. The real problem is that not all third-party Mac cleaners are created equal. Some barely remove a few cache files, while others add so many background processes that they slow your system down even more. TotalAV, easily the most beginner-friendly Mac cleanup tool that's out there. When you open it, you're greeted with a big green Smart Scan button. Just one click and it starts checking everything, including junk files, duplicate files, startup programs, tracking cookies, and even data breaches linked to your email address. The results page gives you a neat, easy to understand summary of what it found. Things like how much junk is clogging up your system, how many startup programs are slowing boot time, and what security or privacy issues it detected. You can click into the details for a full breakdown, then hit Fixed Issues to clean it up in one go. During our testing, TotalAV freed up nearly a gigabyte of space and trimmed down startup time noticeably. It feels fast, lightweight, and very visual, perfect for people who want results without digging through settings. Beyond cleaning, TotalAV doubles as a complete security suite. It includes real-time malware protection, a VPN, WebShield for blocking malicious sites, Total AdBlock, and a password manager called Total Password. There's also a data breach check, which is surprisingly handy as well. It scans public breach databases and lets you know if your email or passwords have been leaked. What's nice is it's all integrated inside one clean dashboard, so no switching between apps or browser extensions. And because its malware engine runs in the cloud, it barely impacts performance even during full scans. Now, it's not the cheapest app, but considering it covers multiple devices and bundles in features that you'd normally pay extra for, I'd say TotalAV still gives you excellent value. Plus, like Intego, it's also backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so again, you can test it out risk-free. For something a little simpler, TotalAV is the best choice because it's intuitive, fast, and gives you a full tune-up without the technical learning curve. We've included discounted links to our top picks down in the description box below, so be sure to check those offers out while they're live. And if you've used any of these cleaners yourself, then tell us down in the comments how they worked out for you. But as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives and keeping your Mac clean and your data safe, and we'll see you in the next video.